Are we live?
You're live.
Yay! Okay, finally we are live, guys. We're so sorry that it's been a 10-minute delay. But here we are. Hi everyone. It's been so long. बहुत time हो चुका है since I've come live. And today is a very special day that I'm live with you guys because I want to share something super special and very close to my heart. And before we do that, I want to welcome my partner and my friend Siddhesh Sharma.
Thank you, Shraddha. How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you again.
And hello everyone. Good to see you guys as well.
And
I'm going to quickly introduce myself.
Yes,
Sorry.
please. No, please.
I'm Siddhesh Sharma. I'm the founder and CEO of Nature Edge Beverages, where our mission is to completely revolutionize the beverage industry in the Indian market. Our flagship brand is Shunya. And over to you, Shraddha. I would love for you to give the big announcement that everybody's been waiting for.
So guys, I've been posting about Shunya on my handle since the past few days, and every day we've been coming closer and closer to this moment today when finally we're going to tell you about Shunya. And this is so close to my heart. It's the first time, it's my first partnership. But before we get into that, let's ask Siddhesh, what is Shunya?
Thank you, Shraddha. It means a lot to us also. So guys, Shunya is a new age progressive beverage brand, right? We share some very strong core values at Shunya, and I must say, core values like the fact that we are very energetic, we are very playful, we are very clean, we are very genuine, we are very simplistic, yet we are very powerful.
Yeah.
And I must say these core values are absolutely synonymous to somebody I know who's sitting right here. So it's super nice to have you on board, Shraddha, as a partner. The entire team of Shunya is very happy to have you.
Thank you. So am I. So guys, everybody out there, I want to share that ये पहली बार है जो मैं partnership कर रही हूँ, and it's so special for me क्योंकि of course जब आप एक brand endorse करते हो, you endorse a brand as an ambassador, and definitely वो association भी बहुत special रहता है. But for me, this is my first partnership. तो partnership मतलब I have invested in Shunya, and it's my first time that I'm doing something like this. And the reason कि मुझे लगा कि मुझे partnership करना है Shunya के साथ with Siddhesh is because जो values है Shunya में they completely align with who I am, and जो मेरी journey रही है फिटनेस के साथ, हेल्थ के साथ, सेल्फ लव, जो आप खुद को प्यार करते हो और खुद के सेहत की रिस्पेक्ट करते हो, it all started from there. So I'm super excited to be associated with Shunya. Yeah.
And the feeling is mutual.
Yes.
And if I can tell you a little more about,
Please.
How this whole thing happened, how Shunya came about.
Yeah.
So a little bit of background. So my family has been in the business of Ayurveda for over 100 years now. My grandfather was a true visionary. He founded the brand Baidyanath back in 1917. So it's been a little over 100 years now that Baidyanath has now become a successful legacy household brand. So very fortunate to have that. So I'm very passionate and deeply involved in the field of Ayurveda, and I would like to encourage the science. But besides that, I've also been very inclined towards sports and fitness. I used to play tennis competitively. Back in the day, I won the silver medal in the national games here in India. Then I went to the UK to study, and I continued to play my tennis there and represent my university. We ended up winning the league. So it was there when I got this, eureka moment, because I constantly consumed so many different beverages there which did not exist back in the day in India. Yeah. And that gave me that idea that end of the day hydration is super important. It not only positively impacted my life, like overall well-being, but it definitely made me a better player.
Absolutely.
A better player on court as well. So fast forward to 2015 is when I thought the time was right. We've seen in India the entire food and beverage market is obviously seen a good change. There's a big health wave. Lots of things in food that I must say, everything that we ate that was white is now brown, isn't it?
Right.
But if you see the beverage shelf, unfortunately, it's still exactly the same. So that's when I committed to Shunya. It took us 5 long years, a lot of hard work. But here we are. We have 2 products under the Shunya brand name.
Yeah.
That's Shunya Go and Shunya Fizz. And we'll talk a little more about that a bit later.
Absolutely. And 5 years, guys. So you can imagine jitna hard work raha hai from the Nature Edge team to develop these amazingly guilt-free beverages. I feel like when you put in so much of an effort, it's the end result is definitely worth it, and you're drinking without any guilt. You're completely stress free and zero. Now I'll tell you the value of Shunya. Okay, Shunya, which is something that I asked all of you guys on my platform as well. Zero calories, zero sugar, zero preservatives, and that is something जो आपको आजकल you don't find this in any of the other drinks. So it's just simply amazing.
मुझे इससे याद आया that the first time जब हम मिले थे, I remember that you had finished a nice workout, you were feeling very good about yourself, and I incidentally saw you downing a bottle which you thought was the best drink out there, doing a lot of good to you. I must bring it out actually. I've carried it. Wow.
अभी मुझे पता नहीं था. I didn't know.
So ये bottle इनके पास थी. अब ढक्कन लगा हुआ है फिर भी शक्कर बाहर निकल रही है.
Yes.
So basically it was a sugar loaded product and a sugar loaded drink.
Exactly. And I mean, how do we know कि कितना sugar है? हम कौन देखता है when you get your beverage, जो भी beverage आप खरीद रहे हो, आप उनके contents नहीं देखते, तो आपको पता भी नहीं होता कि उसमें कितना sugar है, उसमें कितने artificial preservatives है, sweeteners होते हैं. So thanks to Siddesh and thanks to Shunya that I made a very, very important change in my life without compromising on the experience of it, you know, without compromising on the taste of it. And my favorite flavor is Zappy Apple in the Shunya Go range, and it's something आप आपके वर्कआउट के लिए कैरी कर सकते हो, कंज्यूम कर सकते हो, एंड जस्ट डे टू डे यू कैन रिप्लेस योर fruit juices with it, because we know that consuming fruit is much better than having fruit juices. So thank you so much for this wonderful replacement in my life.
So I must ask you, so all your viewers have tuned in, what do you do? What's your idea of a healthy lifestyle? What's your fitness like mantra?
So I have to say that मैं ज़्यादा करके ऐसे fitness fanatic नहीं हूँ. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सारी जो मेरी मनपसंद चीजें हैं कि मैं उनको completely कट आउट करूंगी मेरी लाइफ से, बिकॉज आई एम अ बिग फूडी. एंड जैसे मैं आपसे कह रही थी बिफोर यू टोल्ड मी अबाउट शून्य ऑल्सो कि जो फिजी ड्रिंक्स होते थे मुझे बहुत पसंद आते थे, बहुत ज्यादा, until you know I realized कि मैं I cannot be doing this to myself. मेरे सेहत के लिए ये बिल्कुल खराब है. इसमें जो एस्पर्टेम होता है, शुगर होता है, आप why would you do that to yourself? So I like to strike a balance between my fitness regime कि मैं कभी कभी डांस कर लेती हूँ, योगा कर लेती हूँ, जिम चली जाती हूँ, और जो मेरा डाइट भी रहता है इट्स वेरी वेरी बैलेंस्ड. तो आई नीड माई घर का खाना ऑल्सो, एंड आई ऑल्सो नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट व्हाटएवर आई ईट इज वेरी वेरी हेल्दी. और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया खास करके ये लॉकडाउन के थ्रू. आई थिंक हम सब ने रियलाइज किया है कि व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ हेल्थ एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ जो हम चॉइसेस बनाते हैं लाइफ में. जब हम एक ग्रोसरी स्टोर में जाते हैं या सब्जी खरीदने जाते हैं कि हम क्या खरीद रहे हैं और हम क्या हमारे बॉडीज में डाल रहे हैं. तो डेफिनेटली आई हैव टू से दैट आई लव माई सेल्फ एंड द चॉइसेस दैट आई मेक go along with that.
Awesome. So basically you maintain that balance. You basically do everything in moderation, but you choose smartly.
Yes.
Like you've chosen Shunya smartly.
Yes, and thank you for choosing me also.
No, you're most welcome, of course.
Making such an amazing change in my life.
You know, I'm going to take, I know that Zappy Apple is your favorite flavor, right?
Yeah.
Have you been consuming the others also in Shunya?
I definitely have been. I have to say Zappy Apple and Orange, I would say, and then the mixed fruit, but all of them are amazing. Absolutely amazing. But ये वाला मेरा
favorite है. So, you know, glad you brought up the zero story. Because I want to tell everyone, मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहता हूँ that there is not a single drink currently in the Indian market that has the luxury of these claims of zero calories, zero sugar and zero artificial sweeteners. अगर कोई ऐसा बोल रहे हैं तो वो it's impossible. There's nothing out there.
Yeah.
So we're very happy to bring out Shunya, and we're the first players who are celebrating the zeros.
Yes.
But
totally.
But being an Indian consumer, you know, we always want the best bang for our buck, don't we? Right?
Yes.
So I thought that while the zeros are great, we should also add in a whole bunch of benefits so that people can enjoy them and make them their favorite go-to drink every day, right? So I'm going to bring out 4 drinks right now, which are basically drinks that we often consume.
Yes.
And I will tell you all what they are and how Shunya Go actually betters them in some ways, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to start with a typical Ayurveda drink, right? It's an Ayurveda juice, right? Which is good for you, no doubt. But I guess it's not everybody's palate. It's not very easy to find. It may not be very convenient to be, you know, consuming it on the go.
Yes.
Well, but fair enough. If I bring the vitamin waters, well, I don't even know why these exist. To be honest, India में हम सब पानी पीते हैं, right?
बिल्कुल.
Abroad, ठीक है, लोग पानी नहीं पीते हैं. They needed an excuse to drink water, so they made nice flavored, good-looking water, infused a little bit of vitamin in it. But I don't see the point here, especially all the vitamin drinks जो इंडिया में है, with all due respect, they compare themselves to the sugared soft drinks. They say we are this much lesser, that much lesser sugar and calories from the soft drinks.
Correct.
But वो relative है.
Like
आपने कहा थोड़ी देर पहले, you need to see the label, right? You need to make a informed decision.
बिल्कुल.
So all these vitamin waters, नाम के vitamins, actually कुछ होता नहीं
आप
है
बस
उसमें.
लेबल देखो.
हाँ जी, आप समझ जाएंगे कि
आप
कितना
समझ
उसमें
जाओगे.
dosage है, right?
बिल्कुल.
Plus there is sugar, there's a lot of preservatives and so on and so forth.
Yes,
So
yes.
I don't know why that exists.
Yeah.
The next is Shraddha's favorite energy drinks.
No.
No, sorry, not energy drinks.
नहीं.
Sports drinks.
और
Sports
ये
drinks.
फेवरेट था
हाँ जी.
बहुत टाइम पहले, ठीक है. और अब मेरा नया फेवरेट है शून्य गो, बिकॉज this is good for me, this is good for my health, and this is not.
But I will never stop pulling your leg on this one.
I know.
So you have to live with it for
constantly
life.
keep pulling my leg.
So जितने भी स्पोर्ट्स हाइड्रेशन वाटर्स भी इंडिया में मिल रहे हैं, एक्चुअली आप देख रहे हो शक्कर कितनी है. आप तो सिर्फ शक्कर और वाटर पी रहे हैं आप. And it's basically full of, again, there's barely any electrolytes, right? You're drinking
Yes.
sports drinks for electrolytes,
बिल्कुल.
but there's barely any there.
Correct.
So let's move on.
Let's move on.
And the last one that I have here,
इसको मैं यहाँ पे रखती
the last one that I have is your infamous energy drink, right? Now we all have them because I don't know why though, but everybody thinks that they do give you your energy rush. You want an energy rush.